Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melissa and I appreciate you stopping by. If you've been around for a while, thank you for coming back. Today we're going to talk about the doTERRA Precious Florals collection, which is their Mother's Day collection. It comes in this beautiful box, which I think would look great on anyone's vanity. There are 5 4-milliliter roller bottles in this collection. You will get Neroli, Jasmine, Rose, Magnolia, and Blue Lotus. The first 4 oils I mentioned you can get as 10-milliliter roller bottles from doTERRA. However, Blue Lotus is exclusive to this kit right here. I'm going to go over some of the benefits of each of these oils so that way you know what each oil would be good for. We're going to start off with Neroli. Neroli is uplifting to the mood. It may help soothe some anxious feelings, and it is soothing to the skin. Some benefits of jasmine are, it may help reduce skin imperfections. It is uplifting to the mood, Rose is also known as the queen of all oils. It is moisturizing to the skin, uplifting to the mood, and may help even out your skin tone. Magnolia. Magnolia is calming. It is also good for soothing the skin, and it may help reduce some of those anxious feelings. Blue Lotus is new to this collection and new to doTERRA. Some of its benefits are moisturizing to the skin, it may help reduce skin imperfections, and it is also relaxing. My favorite way to use these oils would be to obviously use them topically, as they are roller balls. You can apply them to the wrists, behind the ears, and over the heart. As mentioned, if skin imperfections, you can use it as a spot treatment on any of those little skin imperfections. This kit is a limited edition for Mother's Day. It would make a great gift for anyone, and look amazing on anyone's vanity. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll leave a link down below. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will leave the link to where you can buy it down below as well. If you are already working with a wellness advocate, please continue to work with them. But if you are not, I would love to work with you and help you on your oil journey. I hope you have a beautiful day, and God bless.